universe quaked under the wrath of Lord Shiva. In a moment of deep meditation, he opened his third eye, releasing a spark of pure rage. This spark fell into the cosmic ocean, where it merged with the primordial waters and took the form of Jalandhara, a being of immense power and arrogance. Born from divine energy, Jalandhara was no ordinary being. As he grew, his strength rivaled even the gods. But he was filled with ambition, arrogance, and a thirst for dominance. Jalandhara's army, comprised of demons and elemental forces, wreaked havoc in the heavens. The gods, unable to match his power, approached Lord Vishnu for help. Lord Vishnu, with his wisdom, devised a plan to weaken Jalandhara by targeting his one vulnerability, his connection to his wife, Vrinda. Vrinda, a devoted and virtuous woman, was Jalandhara's source of strength. Her unwavering fidelity shielded him, making him invincible. Lord Vishnu, in the guise of Jalandhara, approached Vrinda, tricking her into breaking her vows. When Vrinda realized the deception, her grief and rage were unparalleled. She cursed Lord Vishnu and immolated herself. Her sacrifice, however, broke Jalandhara's divine protection. This led Jalandhara into a fit of rage and destruction, and he wreaked havoc on the three worlds. Lord Shiva, witnessing the destruction caused by Jalandhara, finally intervened. In an epic battle that shook the cosmos, Lord Shiva unleashed his full might. The demon, though powerful, was no match for Lord Shiva's divine fury. With a single stroke of his trident, Lord Shiva annihilated Jalandhara, scattering his essence back into the waters from which he had arisen.